Hi, welcome back to Peter Rabbit. Today we're going to take a look at the kitchen layout. We just got a set of preliminary plans from the designer. So as you can see, we've got most of this area all demoed out. We've taken away these rooms here and we're going to push them over beyond that wall into the garage. And we're going to incorporate this space into the new kitchen. The kitchen is completely changing. It's going to be huge. We're moving center line from this point all the way over to here. This is where everything will align down the center. We'll have a range, our hood. We're going to move forward into an island with a sink and another island out here. So there's two islands. This wall will be lined with cabinets, another sink over here. We'll have dishwashers in here, obviously. Come over to this side, we'll have a line of pantry cabinets in here. And back in this space, we're going to close off this wall. This will now become a walk-in refrigerator. We're going to delete a door that goes to the exterior, deal with the window as well, and the access to the fridge will come through this side over here. All the plumbing that's existing over here throughout the entire house, bathrooms included, we're going to have to retrench. So we'll come in and use a saw, a concrete saw. We'll cut and we'll move the drains, the water lines to wherever they need to go to the new island over here, same way as we did in other spaces. We're going to take this plumbing here and move it into the island sink over here. So not very far for this one. Other spaces we have a lot further distance to travel. So we still have this electrical hanging here, and a lot of this went to serve the other rooms that were here. We had a pantry and a laundry room. So these things are going to get either deleted or relocated as we need them for use for the new space in this kitchen. This area right here used to be where the hot water heater was, and we are relocating that to another location. Currently with the water turned on, we're cleaning some spaces outside. We do have some water dripping, but that'll be taken care of. But no water lines will be in this area once we finish this kitchen. Next week, we're meeting with our mechanical contractor. He's gonna come out and we're gonna talk about relocating our air returns, the ducts that are up here, going into our air handler in the ceiling. This entire lid in here will become flat. So, and we'll frame it out this direction a little bit further as well to define just the kitchen space. In this space over here, we're gonna do kind of a speakeasy bar, and they have some really cool ideas that are brewing right now. Possibility of doing a sunken bar, demoing out the concrete here and lowering the floor. So it'll be a four-sided bar. It's gonna look pretty cool. Thanks for joining me on this walk at Peter Rabbit House.